Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Dr. Mrs. Adese Iguilo, the latest bride in town, the pathological doctor of Chief DC SAM Iguilo, and Dr. Mrs. Iguilo. That is the rival of the Lord Mayor of Adasiane, the biological son of Okoye dynasty. Adasiane, one of Adasiane in the second in the building. The Mayor, my Mayor, you are very welcome, boss. God bless you. Thank you, later. I could even remember Adasiane. Oko Bashir and Hila Pananota. Bobby, are you ready? Are you ready now? Okay, DJ, hit it now. The bread is already here. High Chief, the President of Tantolas Transport, Chief Sergeant of the War. Obiesu. So, the Tantolas.
I've been searching for you. Okay, don't trouble. I got the more you go. You don't care. I've been searching for you. Fortunately, I don't know what I do now. I want that.
Yes, I'm not. We need a kitchen knife, please. Please spray your money on the ground, not on your body. Please. Somebody should help us with knife. Let them come here, cake.
I'm guilty, I'm smart, I'm powerful.
Let's appreciate the Queen of
I get to bounce.
Oh my God bless you, sir. Yes, sir. And what we need to forget of Nigeria. Of even the member one over the Cheso. The creative form of our culture. The devil leads. 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 The Lord. Come on, sister. We appreciate you. Let's appreciate you. Let us come on town. The embassy, one of us, that's all. I could be remember one why. Star Civilian General Possible. Energy, life is good, we need to go to Dynasty. That's all.
Every day I'm chasing with life. You wish me back,
that's all.
yeah, mommy, I never come down, boy,
I'm ready to quit
show me sissy, go down, cash out.
I'm committed up
Only mother, Bilam,
I'm committed up
one out. Who's in boat?
They have money.
Get the shop lights, lock out.
That's all.
Yes, it's simple.
Let us Star Civilian General.
Go down, cash out.
That's all.
Only mother, Bilam, small money, all out.
If we go to Dynasty,
If you don't get money,
everything life is good in our
I'm